Hi friends, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my review on YSL's Monogram Card Case in Grande Poudre Embossed leather. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more of my content, and let's just get right into it. So let's cover some basics first. As mentioned, this is YSL's Monogram Card Case in Grande Poudre Embossed leather. I got it in black with black hardware as well, and this has 5 card slots, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and as well as 1 in the middle. So this is made out of 100% calfskin, was made in Italy, and retails for $295, which is $20 more expensive compared to the ones in silver or gold hardware. I've had this for about 4 months now, and I definitely have some pros and cons that I'd like to share with you guys, which will hopefully be helpful if you're considering to purchase this item. Okay, so my first con, no, let's start with the pros. Okay, so my first pro is definitely the quality of the leather. So when I got it and I was inspecting it, while I was touching it, that sounded weird, but while I was inspecting it, I just had a sense of how durable the material feels, and I have friends who've had theirs for a couple of years now, and they can really attest as to how the quality upholds. And as I said, I've had this for 4 months. I don't notice any scratches at all on the leather. Another pro that I have is how compact it is. I'm the type of person who just likes bringing smaller handbags with me, and I just love how slim this is. It can just easily fit in any of my handbags because, again, it's so compact. It brings all of my essentials, but it doesn't take much space or weight. It's very lightweight, so this is perfect for me. Another pro that I have is more specific to this color, but because we're having a monochrome moment here, I just think that it's very understated. I love how the logo is here, but it's not loud. It's very minimalist, chic, and because of that, I think that the style would age well, and that's something that I always consider when I'm purchasing anything that I find expensive. And yeah, I think those are all of my pros. I really love this card case, but as much as I love it, there are some cons that I'd like to share. My first one is only true for the first couple of months that I was using it, and it's how stiff the leather was. So when I first tried inserting my cards and retrieving them, it was actually quite challenging. I feel like, just like new shoes, this is a card case that you would have to break in, but it got softer, which makes it so much easier to use. Now I use it with no problem at all. Another con that I have, I'm not sure if this is specific to black hardware, but I am noticing that the hardware of my card case scratches easily, and I don't put my keys or any sharp objects near it. So if you guys have any small leather goods from YSL or handbags with black hardware, please let me know how the wear and tear is for you guys. I'm definitely curious in knowing about that. Another con that I have is not really a con for me, but it could be if you're the type of person who just likes bringing a lot of cards with you on a daily basis. As mentioned, this only has 5 card slots, so if you're just the type of person who just likes being ready, bringing all of your cards, then I don't think that this is a practical purchase, because it only brings your essentials, which could be different for every person, but that's definitely something that you need to consider. And I think that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please make sure to drop them down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.